we start our kidsy anthem? All of you remember or forgot it? Tell me. Tell me. Just join your hands, everyone. Today, all of you sing with me. Okay? Say yes, ma'am. Say yes. All of you sing with me. Tomorrow, I will ask everyone. Tomorrow, I will ask Jasna. Jasna has to sing an kidsy anthem. Okay? Shall I start? Okay, start. Close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes. Yes. You are with me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Just rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Just relax. Okay. What I taught you before holiday, can anyone tell me? Everyone remind or not? Remember it or not? Tell me. Who will tell me before this Diwali vacation what I taught you? Tell me. No one reminds. Shall I repeat it again? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes, na? I think I have to repeat it again. Everyone forgot it in this holidays. Am I right? What happened, Kaushik? What are you looking? Okay. Shall we start our warm-up, okay? First, everyone stand up and start the music. Everyone stand up, stand up. Satvik, stand up करना. Stand up. Harshit, stand up. Jasna, stand up. What's going on? Do. Up, 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 up. Give so much energy. Up, 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 up. Jasna, do. Left side. Left side. Yes. Right side. Touch on the sky. Touch on the sky. Touch on the sky. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your sky. Touch on the sky. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Roll your hand. Roll your hand. Just roll your hand. Round. Round. Round, 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 round. Jump, 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 jump. Yes. Yes, jump. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Jump. What happened, kids? Did you feel tired? Nice? Satvik, nice? Just know your hand. Nice.
Nice, ma'am.
Very good.
Nice, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Thank you, baby. Okay.
Ma'am.
Drink the water. If you feel thirsty, drink water. Jasna, what happened, Kanna? Why you're not doing homework? Jasna, tell me why you're not doing homework?
பேசு ஏன் கேட்காத பாரு why she's not in a mood today ma'am you're not audible ma'am
You're speaking on mute. You're speaking on mute.
Ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am.
நீ bad வேலை பண்ண
Ma'am, are you able to hear us? You're speaking on mute.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself, ma'am.
Amma.
Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me, name your words could be. Cossack. What do you have to say? What do you have to say, Cossack? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me, name your words could be. Harshit. Harshit. Okay, Harshit went back. Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me, name your words could be. Jasna.
சொல்லு here I am சொல்லு சொல்லு கண்ணா
What do you have to say? Reply me back, Jasna. If you no one say anything, I will not introduce one toy I have and one new rhymes I have.
சொல்லு hi here I am
You want to meet someone else or not? Yes or no? Okay. Good. Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me, name your words could be. Finish words.
Here I am. Say.
Here I am.
How do you? Hi. Good morning. Bumble, bumble, bumblebee. Tell me, name your words could be. Satvik.
చెప్పు చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు నువ్వే చెప్పు Here I am అను
Here I am. Oh, very good. Okay. Okay, from here, what I taught you? Letter A. Am I right? What I taught you? Letter A. A for what I taught you? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what letter A for what I taught you? A for apple. A, A, A. A for ant. A, A. A for alligator. A, A, A. A for angel. A, A, A. A for arrow. A, A, A. I taught you now this. Am I right? Shall I start it? Repeat it again. A for apple. Ah, ah, ah. A for ant. Ah, ah, ah. A for alligator. Ah, ah, ah. A for arrow. Ah, ah, ah. A for angel. Ah, ah, ah. Am I right? This is the sound of A. What is the sound of A? Ah. Okay? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So number A sound everyone knows. Am I right? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Am I right? Tell me. Yes. Shall I taught you number sound? Shall I taught you a number song or not?
నెంబర్ సాంగ్ వచ్చా నీకు సార్ 1 2 3 చెప్పు మిస్ కి 1 2 3
Okay. Okay. Start.
Yeah.
One little flower, one little bee, one little bluebird high on the tree. One little flower, one little bee, one little bluebird high on the tree. One little brown rat smiling at me. Say, one little brown rat smiling at me. One little number now you see. Yay! One little flower, one little bee, one little bluebird high on the tree. One little brown rat smiling at me. One little number now you see. Okay? Yay! Did you like these rhymes? Can anyone tell me? Did you like these rhymes? Yes or no? Shall I taught you again rhymes? Another rhyme? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive. Do? Yes, sir. Do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Okay? Who will repeat with me? P. Nishwan, go and mute and say repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive.
Once I
6,
got
7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Go again. Jasna, now your turn.
Sollu.
Very good, Nishwan. Jasna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I thought a fish alive. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again.
You say.
Okay? Say yes or no. At least you have to sing with me, na? One little flower, one little bee, one little bluebird high on the tree. One little brown rat smiling at me. One little number now you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right got F is alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Did you like this rhymes or not? Say yes or no.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall I one more number rhyme that?
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, again minus 2. 3, 4, that's third. 5, 6,
Ma'am.
7, 8, let them stay. 9, 10, a big with him.
Sige, ma'am. Ikaw bikin secret.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, let them stay. 9, 10, a big fat hen. See, today I want to introduce, tell you a new rhymes. What rhymes? What rhymes? See, this rhymes. What rhymes is this?
What is that?
Duck. This is what duck? Mama duck. This is baby duck. Baby duck. What's we called a baby duck?
என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க?
What baby name? What? Can anyone tell me? Oh yes. Duckling. Baby duck name is
குட்டி டக் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க?
duckling.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Say hi, duck. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Hi.
Hi,
Hi. Harshit has a duck. Harshit has a duck toy. I also have a duck toy. Okay. Harshit, show me your duck. Harshit, show me your duck. Okay, so let's start. Oh, Kaushik also has a duck. Okay, shall I start a new rhymes? Huh? 5 little ducks was swimming on the. This is see 5 little ducks. I don't have a 5 little ducks. I have only 2 little ducks. Okay. 5 little ducks was swimming on the over the hills and far up. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. What duck says? What dog says?
Quack,
Quack
quack.
quack 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 quack.
சொல்லு நீ.
5 little ducks was swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. But little 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks was swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. But only 3 littles come back. 3 little ducks was swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks was swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. But only 1 little ducks came back. 1 little ducks was swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack 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 quack. So 1 little ducks came back. Mama ducks swimming on day. No little ducks was swimming on day. Mama ducks say quack 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 quack. No little ducks came back. 1 little ducks, but daddy ducks. What again? What happened? Daddy ducks say quack 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 quack. All the 5 little ducks came back. Shall I repeat it again or not? Tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. 5 little ducks were swimming all day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. 4 little ducks will become, only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks were swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 but only 3 littles come back. 3 little ducks were swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks were swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. No 1 little duck came back. Daddy duck was the swimming on day over the hills and far away. Daddy duck say quack, 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 quack. All 5 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
சத்தமா சத்தமா
Quack,
சொல்லு.
quack.
Did you enjoy this rhyme? Show me your thumb or not? Did you enjoy or not? If you enjoy this rhyme, just show me your thumb. Did you enjoy this rhymes? Yes, okay, very good. Just a second, I'm sharing my screen. Take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, everyone. What is the number? Everyone take your worksheet. D07MT. D07MT. Take your worksheet. Open your worksheet. Page number D07MT. D07MT. Show me your, if you open that worksheet, show me. Everyone find the page.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, D07 is midterm 2, right, ma'am? Midterm 2?
Yeah. This one workbook only. Yeah.
This one only,
There
right,
was a,
ma'am?
see my this arrow, ma'am. There was a number. Did you, ma'am? Are you able to see the number D07MT?
No, ma'am. We don't have D07.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
see the down. Name, date, and signature was
ma'am,
there. Down
the
was
MD
a number.
D12 only,
Here
ma'am.
only D04. After 5, after 8 we have.
The
No,
workbook,
numbers,
whatever.
not this one. See another page, ma'am.
Is it in the
Okay,
midterm
parents?
workbook?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, the pages and the numbers are not helpful at all. It is in like not properly
Yes,
sequenced,
ma'am.
and we are not able to
Yeah.
search easily at all.
Just a second, sir. Yeah. I will let you know, sir.
Yeah, sir, that I will check with the head office people. Why is it so? So the teacher will present a worksheet. No, you just check whether 1 or 2 pages after or before you have the same worksheet. Payal ma'am, you just present the worksheet.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the same worksheet whether you have in after 2-3 pages or before 2-3 pages, you just check, no? If the number is not matches, also fine.
They have a page like this for matching numbers, but it is double digit. Is
Not
it okay?
No, this is
not
a
2 digits, ma'am. Not 2 digits, ma'am. It is
only
Payal,
one
ma'am. You
digit.
present the worksheet. It is the same numbers. It's a single digit. 6,
Please,
7, 8, 9.
7,
Okay,
8,
check
9.
my.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Anyone is having, you just show it to the screen, no? Any parents are find out means you just show it on the screen. So you don't have D07 worksheet at all, right, in your book?
Harshit parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find, ma'am?
Hmm.
Okay, parents, actually, we have a lot of extra worksheets for the assessment basis. Might be this worksheet, it belongs to the assessment. So you don't have the worksheet, I think, in your book. So what you do is you just draw it in a one rough note. You have to be with always with the child. So you just draw the same picture and number in the rough note and ask the child to match it. This is the assessment worksheet. If you are not having the worksheet in the book, it is an assessment worksheet for the teachers. So the teachers only can access the worksheets. It is an extra worksheets. So you don't bother about that. You just draw a picture and the numbers in the rough notebook and you can match it. Yeah, Payal ma'am, you can give some time for the preparation, then you can proceed with that.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents.
Yeah, parents, can you please draw in a rough note these numbers, matching the numbers 9, 6, 7 one side. No need to draw the plum. You want only write down the number in rough note.
அது எடுக்காதம்மா கண்ணா. இங்க வா.
Little bit minimize it, ma'am. Payal, ma'am, little bit minimize it. Keep it in a one page. The worksheet is visible in a one page. Keep it in one page. Don't scroll down and up.
Okay, ma'am.
Auto தெரியுமா?
வேண்டாம்டா, இதுடா.
அந்த கைய பச்சேதுமா.
Everyone finished drawing part? Everyone write down the number. Who finished? Tell me.
ஏதா இந்தா. குடு. இதோ இத மேட்ச் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா டாட் வச்சு தருவோம். இரு உட்காந்துக்கோ அதுல.
Everyone finished? Yes, Jasna has finished. Okay. Satvik, mom, no need to do it now, ma'am. Only I have to tell you, only have to write down the numbers only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Kaushik, was good. Yeah. Okay, tell me how many objects I have in my hand. Who will count it? How many objects I have in my hand?
ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు మిస్ దగ్గర సాత్విక్ మిస్ దగ్గర ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు
One.
Say one.
Dasna, how many pencil color sketch I have in my hand?
சொல்லுப்பா.
One. And now, Nishwant, how many? How many?
Say loud, say loud.
Two. Okay. Now how many? Three. Very good. Now how many? Kaushik?
3 4 ma'am చెప్పు
4.
Yes, ma'am. Subject.
Now how many?
చెప్పండి
5.
Okay.
Now how many?
ఇప్పుడు
6. Now how many?
6 చెప్పండి
7. How
See.
many pencil I have? 7 pencils. Am I right? Okay. Now tell me how many books in my hand.
Eight.
Show me your finger only. Show me your finger. No need to switch. Everyone go in mute. No need to tell me. Only you have to show me your finger. 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. How many books? 1. Now how many books? 2. Very good. Now how many books? 3. Very good. Now how many? 4. Very good. Now how many?
How many? Count must.
Tell me.
Count must. 1, 2, 3.
5. Very good.
Ma'am.
Now how many? 6. Now how many? 7. 8. 1 in my this hand. 10. See. So what we do on that day, why I taught you, na? One finger, if I have one
Ma'am, really?
pencil in my hand. Sorry.
Wait, ma'am, ready? Started.
If I have one pencil in my left hand and one book in my right hand, what we have to do? We can match it. We can twist it. But if we have two books in my right hand and one pencil in my one hand, left hand, we can twist it. Yes or no? We can match it. No, na? We can match only one number to one number. Like this. We can see same object, not same object I have. I have a different object, but the quantity was same. Okay. This one also I have one piece. This one also I have one. Harshit going on mute. Kaushik going mute. Yes. We can twist it. Yes or no? So no. Just say me yes like this. We can twist it or not? Yes. Okay. Tell me. If I have two books in this hand and this hand also two books, we can twist it or not? We can twist or not? Yes or no? We can twist it? Yes. If we have this much book in my this hand, see, able to see. We can twist it. This hand to this hand. No, na? Because the number was not matched. This number is 4. This number is 2. So we can't match it. Okay? Shall we do our worksheet? I will ask one by one. Jasna, what number is this? What number is this? Jasna, go in mute, unmute and tell me what number is this.
4 இல்ல 9.
We can match this number to this number.
அதே மாதிரி 9 எங்க எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க? Where is 9? Where is
Can
9?
we match this number 9 to number 8?
இதாரு sitting கொடுப்பங்க.
Is this correct, Kanna? Tell me.
No.
No.
No. Okay. Is this correct, Kanna?
கரெக்ட்டா? Yes.
Yes. Just do it. Just do it in your rough note.
இதே மாதிரி நம்ம டோர்க்கு.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Yes, this was a correct. Just do it. And now go in and mute. Now it's Kaushik turn. Kaushik, is this what number is this?
What number is that, Kaushik? Ma'am, circle must go, sir. Again number.
What number is this, Kanna?
Subject.
6. Can I match this number 6 to number 7 like this?
Correct, அது 67 match ma sir, correct?
Can I match this number like this? Is this correct, Kanna?
No, ma'am, இது சத்தவா இல்ல.
No. Can I match this number to this number? See, can I match this number to this number?
No, ma'am.
No. Very good. Okay. What number I have to match?
6 another.
Number 6 to
6
number
சத்தவா
6.
இல்ல.
Okay. Okay. Now it's time to P Nishwan. What number is this?
What number is this? Say loudly.
What number? 7. Very good. Can I match this number to this number?
Idi same ma? Yes or no?
No, na? No. Very good, Kanna. Okay. What number I have to match this number to? What number?
No, 7 and what?
7 to 7, na?
7 and
Yes,
7.
I have to match this 7
Seven
number to
number.
7 number.
Correct.
Correct. Very good. Now it's time to Harshit. Just do it in your rough note. Harshit. Harshit. இங்க பாரு இங்க வா உட்கார் சூடு Harshit, what number is this, Kanna? What number is this? Okay. It's okay. Now, Satvik, tell me what number is this?
8.
Okay. Can I match this number to this number?
ఇది same number 8. This is 8. Yes, ma'am. చెప్పు. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Satvik. This is correct. Okay. Just do your do it in your rough note and show me.
ఇగో చూడు. ఇది పెన్సిల్ ఇది.
Do it in your rough note and show me. Your mama's draw for you, na? Just match it and show to me. Yes, very good. Very good, Jasna. I give you a star. What color star you want? Tell me. See, did you able to see the star for Jasna?
Ma'am, see this.
This is for Jasna. Very good. Satvik. Satvik, I give you a blue color star.
Thank you. Blue color star is there in the Miss Niku. Thank you, Money. Thank you.
Parents, draw on behalf of me to your kids. To blue color star in your hand. Very good, Kaushik. Just draw a big blue color star to Kaushik. Yes, very good. Very good. Wow, nice. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good. Very good. Very good, Kaushik. Nice, nice. Very good. Very good. Dasna, you want the ice cream? Dasna, you want ice cream?
ice cream ಇಲ್ಲ
Ma'am, see my
The
star.
ice cream for you.
ಕಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಮ್ಮ
Dasna finished, Kaushik finished, Satvik finished, Nishwan. Yeah, very good. Very good. Harshit,
Imagine.
Harshit,
I know, Sujit doesn't mean
Harshit,
January.
go in, switch on your camera. Harshit, parents, just switch on your camera. Yes. Did you finish? What happened, Kana? See, give a star. I give it to you, star. See. See, star for you. Look at here. Look at here. See, star. Wow, very good, Satvik mom. Thank you. Okay. Shall we do it our another worksheet? What I tell you, letter A. What is the sound of A? Tell me, what is the sound of A? Anyone tell me? What is the sound of A? A for what?
Mama, what is the
A for what? A for
A for
apple. A for ant. A for alligator. A for arrow. A for angel. Now one more I will let you know. A for axe. You have to cut it now. Axe. A for axe.
Ma'am, Konglenka.
What? Just take you another worksheet. Just a second now. Yeah. Page number is D07PH. D07PH. Just open your worksheet D07PH. D07PH.
ನಂಗ್ಲೇ తెలుసులా D07 ಇಲ್ಲ
D07PH. Anyone find it? Parents, please let me know. D07PH. See, just see the worksheet. Circle the picture that start with letter A sound. D07 NUR D07PH. You can find out in literacy, not numeracy. ABCD page was there. See on that page. Letter A page, letter B page, like that. You can find it. Yes, Satvik mom.
No, ma'am. No,
Are
I
you not
can't.
able to find it?
No.
Okay, no issue. I will let me know on this. First, you do it this one as a homework. We'll let you know about this. Okay. First, everyone do with parents. Okay. No need to search parents. No need to search.
Okay.
Okay. Just kids. Okay. Jasna.
Yes,
Just
please.
tell me what is the letter A sound?
Yeah, என்ன sound?
Ah. He can expel this balloon to
Balloon ஆவா? No சொல்லு. காலைக்கு.
He can expel this head head.
Hat ஆவா? Hat Huh? No சொல்லு.
We can spell this axe axe.
Axe. Huh?
Correct.
Correct, huh? Correct.
Very good.
Axe.
Kaushik,
இது என்னது?
in this one, what is the sound of A?
என்னது? Alligator. Alligator ஏவா?
Alligator was
Alligator.
A, or cat was A, or gift was A.
இது ஏ.
Alligator. You have to everyone has to do as a homework this one. Okay, I will let me know about this page, and I let you know. Okay, just see it and do it as a homework. Alligator. Okay. What's the next? Pinishwan. What is the sound of A in this one?
A for what, Nishu? Which one? Nishu, say. Which one is okay? What is this, Nishu?
A for fire.
Huh? What is this? Fire. Huh?
We can spell this A fire.
A for fire. A for?
We can spell this A lemon.
Correct.
We can spell A apple. 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 The correct one is apple. Satvik. What is the sound of A?
A. Sound of A. చెప్పు మిస్కి.
Ball or ant?
Bala, no. No, ball కాదు. What is this? What is this?
Ant.
చెప్పు hand చెప్పు. Hand.
Ant. Very good.
Puri.
Parents, I will let you know about this page, and I text it on WhatsApp. Okay, you no need to worry. That both page I will find out, and I will let you know. Okay, we have a Friday Children's Day celebration, annual Children's Day celebration. Okay, what you have to do? You have to dress up a fancy dress. We have a fan activity. That activity was fancy dress. Okay, you have to choose your dress and you have to explain about your dress. What dress you wear. Okay, example frog. If you choose a frog, you have to wear a frog dress and you have to tell me about the frog. Okay, some few lines you have to say. Okay, everyone has to say me about your dress. What dress you wear on that day, you have to tell me about us. On Friday we have a annual Children's Day celebration. Okay, so yes or no?
Say
Okay,
yes. Yes. You should say yes.
okay,
Say yes, ma'am.
now it's time to say bye.
Say bye.
Bye, sir.
Time to say goodbye. You had so much fun. I had so much fun. We all had so much fun. We all had so much fun. Time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye, kids. Have fun. Bye. Bye, Satvik. Very good, Satvik. Nice. Keep it up. Bye, Kaushik.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
how many pages I have to finish?
I think you got 3 books, ma'am.
This one only, right, ma'am? Midterm two.
Yeah, this one only. Yeah.
We finished this.
See in another book also, ma'am. This, yeah. This one you have to. Satvik has to do. As a homework for Satvik, one standing line was there, one upper curve was there, and one down curve was there.
One
Down
home.
U and upper U. Yeah, not
Okay.
this one. Before that page. Right, this one
Okay. Upper you, down you.
and down U. Yeah, this one.
This is the homework.
Yeah, this is for homework for Satvik.
Oh, finished the slatting lines, ma'am?
No.
Slatting
This one I didn't taught, ma'am. This one I didn't taught for children. No need to.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Yes, Kaushik mom. Right. Ma'am, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.